life wakes from the soil. The roots of these seedlings will find their friends, bacteria and fungi, inside the soil. But the shoot is in search of light, positively phototropic. Millions of years ago, a tiny photosynthetic bacterium became a partner with larger cell. Instead of getting digested by that larger cell, these bacteria lived inside the cell, helping the cell. The green plastids, chloroplasts, a product of endosymbiosis. We humans also carry similar bacteria in our cells. Product of endosymbiosis. Not photosynthetic bacteria, but powerhouses. Those generate the biochemical currency of energy, the ATP. The fuel. These ancient bacterial partners have been with us from millions of years. They are inside our cells. Well, bacteria are not just partners within the cells, but they also inhabit our digestive system, our intestine. There are trillions of bacterial partners in our gut. Those keep us alive.